All you wanna do is just slay. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This your girl, All Things Essential. I'm back with another video. I am going to be creating this eye makeup today with this eyeshadow look. I did create this look by using the drugstore palette. Mostly I used this blue in the palette. This is from Target. It's the Tropical Glow from Color Story. You can get this for like $15 maybe even cheaper, not really sure. Also didn't use that. Also, I used the Juvia's palette for my transition color up here. I used this color and this color for my transition color. That's how I created this look today. And then I'm going to show you guys step by step how I got this bead, honey. I'm loving my bead today. If you are new to my channel, I have 3 rules before you come in. Make sure you learn with me, grow with me, and do not judge me. What makes me special, I am a self-taught aspiring makeup artist, and I am new to YouTube. If you would like to go back and watch some of my videos just to see if you like me, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, and join the tribe. But I am gonna do less talking today and more beading. If you are new to my channel, I have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel already, so I don't go into details with my eyebrows on makeup tutorials because I have a tutorial specifically for eyebrows. So if you would like to see my eyebrow tutorial, I will put it up above this video so you can click the link. It's only like 3 minutes, so the only difference is I'm using the crayon case pomade, but I am doing the same method. Eyes are already prepped and primed, so I'm going to go in with this Color Story Tropical Glow palette that I got from Target. It cost me about $10. I'm going to use that royal blue inside this palette. This palette is so pigmented. Yes. Then I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. It's the second one. And then I'm going to use this Dusty Orange as a transition color. And then I'm going to go in with a bigger brush to blend that out into that blue. And the blending can take so long sometimes. I think I spent 10 minutes trying to blend this out to get the look that I was going for. So I'm gonna have to clip some of this video, but yes, I never do blue. I'm not a blue type of girl, so I'm trying to see how this is going to turn out. Alright guys, I'm trying to blend this as good as possible, as smooth as I can get it. Like I stated, I am still learning. I'm still transitioning into this eyeshadow marathon. I always did my makeup, but I never did eyeshadow. So now that I am stepping out of my comfort zone, I have been trying different eyeshadow looks. And I'm working on blending at the moment. So that's what I'm doing. It took me a while to get the actual look that I was going for, but it actually worked out. But the next step will be I'm going to go into my TNG Glistening palette from Morphine, and I'm going to take that blue purple glitter and I'm going to go in with my pointy finger and pat it all over my eyelid, giving it this mermaid glittery look. And if you know me, you know I love glitter. I am a glitter type of girl. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm taking the glitter and I'm patting it all over my eye. And child, I love it. Love it. Alright guys, let's get into this face. I'm using the e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer. I'm going to make sure that's all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with the N10 L'Oreal True Match Foundation. I said True Match Foundation. And I'm going to put that all over my face as well. Making sure that it's embedded into my skin. Like, I want it to look like skin. I do not want it to look like makeup. So I'm going to pat that all over my face with this beauty blender. Wait, you need to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to
Girl, they don't hear
girl. Yes,
you.
they do hear me. They do hear me.
Okay,
They
girl, come on,
do.
baby.
Subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm gonna be doing more looks and I'm gonna be doing more story times. So subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for?
And as you can see right here, I am taking the Beauty Blender and I am patting the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Toffee. You can get this from your drugstore. This is one of the best concealers that you can use. So yes, if you would like to purchase this, you can get it from your drugstore, your hair store, Walmart, Target, whatever. They have it for like $4 or $5. I noticed that my contour is normally darker, so I took a um, dark concealer to contour my face, but it's not super dark. It's like a little shade, I think 1 or 2 shades lighter than my foundation. I was going for more of a natural look when it came to beating my face, so this concealer was not that dark, but I got this from the drugstore as well, and the label is all messed up, so I don't know the name of it, but it is dark. It's a darker foundation. It's a darker concealer. Sorry, guys. I am not good at voiceovers. I am taking this Dollar Tree brush and I am blending it, my contour in. And you guys need to stop sleeping on Dollar Tree. Go there if you don't want to spend a lot of money on brushes. They have, I think it's called Wet n Wild. They're a brand of brushes, so you can go get brushes from them. And they also sell this little brush that I was using, and I'm using my foundation brush here. But they do have brushes on sale, guys. I mean, not on sale, but they're for $1. Anyways, I suck at this. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and bake. I'm going to use the Black Radiance setting powder. I do not leave my setting powder on for long. That's just me. However, if I'm going out for a night of dancing or I know I'm going to be going for a long period of time of the day, that's when I'm going to use setting powder. Like I'm going to pack it on, but I'm not going anywhere but to take pictures. But yeah, I don't leave it on for long. I don't want to look like a ghost. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this dark powder that I got from the drugstore as well. No, I got it from the hair store. I like to try hair store products because you never know. So it did not really show up on my skin, so it's not a plus in my book. So I'm not going to drop the name. But if you guys contour your face, make sure you use like a powder to contour, or you can use a cream too, but I use a powder because if it's wet it has to be set. I almost never used to use blush, but I am taking the e.l.f. blush palette in deep, and I'm going to put it on my cheeks and blend it in with my contour. I really like how this beat came out. I'm going to try to use blush more often when I'm trying to contour my face. But yeah, I used just a little. It did turn out a little red, but then I blended it in a little bit. I also used some MAC bronzer. I had it for years. So I'm going to start incorporating that into my bead as well, because MAC products cost a lot of money. A lot of money. And I don't have it to waste. Y'all know I didn't used to use highlight, but now I cannot go without it. And I am using the Creon Case highlighter. It's called Honor Roll. And I am also putting that on above my contour and then also under my eyebrows for a little pop. And that is all, folks. And y'all know what time it is. When I'm wrapping up my makeup, it's time to set it off. And it's not the look, set it off. My click all make me set it off. Set it off. And it's hey, set it off. I thought I was done, but I'm not done. I'm going to put a baby blue color at the bottom of my lid to give it a pop of color underneath. I never do this. I am still learning, guys. I want to be the best makeup artist that ever walked this earth. So I am trying new things. I am stepping outside my box, and I am loving these looks I'm creating. Now for the grand finale, I am going to line my lips with the brown Sephora lip liner, and I am going to use this knockoff brand of Cali Cosmetics. I would call this powder pink, and I got it from off Amazon, and it is called Dragon. I love this lip. I was like, too bright, but no, I love a good nude lip.
If you watch this entire video, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know how you like this look. Also, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more looks from me. I am going to be uploading for the month of July. I'm going to try to do Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I am right now going to focus on just makeup right now, but I am going to have other things on my channel. So stay tuned. I hope you guys love this look. And I hope you guys became a new subscriber of the tribe. And that is all, folks. My name is Essence, and I am out. Bye.